Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you love the iPhone look but use an Android phone, don't worry. You can install an iPhone 17 theme and make your Android look just like the latest iPhone. Here's how. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now here, search for iPhone 17 launcher or iOS 17 launcher. Popular apps include Launcher iOS 17, Control Center iOS 17 or similar. Let me go with this one and tap install. Once installed, open the app. Simply select the language. Let's get started with this one. Tap next at the bottom right and tap done. You can select the background from here. I'll be skipping this one. No, actually, let me go with this one. Tap set wallpaper. Now set it as your default launcher when asked. Select Launcher OS 2025. Your Android home screen will now look like iPhone 17's iOS interface. For a full iPhone experience, you can also download iOS 17 Control Center app, iOS 17 lock screen app, and iPhone 17 wallpaper pack. And that's it. Your Android now has the clean and stylish iPhone 17 look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next one.